Get up. Pick it up. Get up. Pick it up.
Hey guys, how you doing? Happy blessed Wednesday. Happy blessed Wednesday. I hope everybody is doing well. Eating a slice of toast this morning for breakfast. Well, after workout meal. I have again my pre-workout that I never finish my pre-workout. I always drink it as I'm working out, which I'm not sure if you're supposed to do that, but that's what I do. So today I worked out abs and more abs. I did a beginner workout and then a more advanced workout. Guys, I took a picture of myself today, and to be honest with you, I've been on this journey for 11 months now, and I am actually astonished about how I look. And I was taking a picture of my back and everything like that because I'm focusing not a lot of my exercises, but I want to lose like the love handles and everything. And I was just like, wow. Although like my workouts haven't been focused on core, back, well, I guess back, my exercise have been focused on, but like my stomach area and everything like that, I'm just so astonished about how the weight has come off. Like I feel like my butt is sitting more up. I feel like I just look at my waist. My waist is much smaller, less fat around, the mid region and everything. So I'm just like, wow. 11 months of work. And I'm glad to see that this work that I'm putting in is actually working. I guess you can say that's my thoughts on it. And I just want to say to you guys, if you are wanting to go on this weight loss journey, and I've stopped and go several times, and I've been consistent for 11 months. I fall off here and there. I have my my moments and everything like that, but I've been consistent working out. I'm telling you, and changing up my eating, like that's probably one of the biggest things that you will have to work on, is changing your eating style. Obviously, you have to be in a calorie deficit if you're trying to lose weight, and you have to work out. So I will have to say that if this is the journey that you want to take, I support you and everything, and I'm saying do it, because I'm gonna post the pictures, so that you can see. I'm not sure if I'm gonna post it during this conversation or at the end, but if it's something that you really want to do, guys, you can do it. I'm telling you, it's gonna be challenging. There's going to be some moments in which you're going to have to tell yourself no. There's be some moments that you're going to have to walk away from, whether that be food, outings, people, whatever the case may be. But at the end of the day, you know that those results that you're going to see, it's going to be absolutely amazing. So that is my rant for this morning. I'm about to go get my hair together, eat the rest of my breakfast, jump in the shower because I got to get to work. So guys, have a good rest of your day. Have a blessed day, and I will see you once I get to work. All right, bye. Alright guys, so let's start off with breakfast. Now breakfast was awesome this day. I had some avocado toast, some turkey meatballs that I had made, and then later on I decided that okay, I want to add in some strawberries and some berries, so we had that as well too. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump into lunch. I actually ate my snacks later in the day. So this lunch was a quinoa salad. I also had in there some cucumbers, some tomatoes, some onions, and some olives, as well chicken. As you know, quinoa is a great source of protein. So guys, let's jump into one of my favorite snacks, and that is rice cakes, guys. Do not sleep on rice cakes. You could put rice cakes with pretty much anything. So I decided to do a rice cake with guacamole. I threw on there some ground chicken. It was actually seasoned ground chicken, and it tasted absolutely good. Obviously, you know the ground chicken is a great protein source. Alright guys, so I was wrapping the end of the work day. I decided I wanted to have some electrolytes, and then also I was like, you know what, I'm gonna eat my last snack, which was some Greek yogurt and some granola, which was absolutely delicious. Hey guys, so I am back home. As I was coming home, I was like, okay, what am I going to eat? I really don't want anything too crazy heavy. So I was like, okay, I know what I am going to make me. So I'm going to show you guys now. Alright guys, so this is all the makings of me making a salsa dip. I'm going to be making a salsa dip for my dinner because this is what I want. I just like want something nice, easy and peasy. I want something a little bit warm. We're going to be using these lentil chips that I got from Trader Joe's. This is going to be our 4-hour dip, or what we're going to use to dip into the dip. And then this is all the fixings that's going to be on it. So I'll come back and show you how everything turns out. Alright, so this is what we're looking like. We have our salsa dip situation here. Then our chips here on the side. So this is going to be dinner for tonight. And everything. Like I said, keep it nice and simple. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and close the video here. I'm going to make sure that I provide you guys with all the information as far as like calories and carbs and fat and all the rest of that stuff that's going to be in this video. I did weigh myself this morning. I believe I was 171.2, so I go back and forth between 171 and 173, but I feel good. You know, at the end of the day, I feel good. My body does feel good. I feel like I'm putting on muscle as well too and everything. So I'm very excited about this journey and where I'm at. I'm looking forward to whatever progress that may come from it, or that I know will come from it. Hey guys, so it's Future Abia. I hope everyone is doing well and having a blessed day. So guys, I need to do the September giveaway. So in this video here, we are actually going to be announcing the giveaway. So if you do not know anything about the giveaway, guys, the giveaway is $25 either to an Amazon gift card or to your PayPal account. and I'm giving the giveaway for every single month. So I've already done the giveaway for July and August, and we've had 2 winners for July and August giveaway. So guys, in order to participate in the giveaway, you have to be subscribed to my channel for at least 1 month, and as well you need to be following me on Instagram. So this month's word for the giveaway, and you're gonna have to enter this word in the comments down below if you want to enter into the giveaway, is going to be drive. D-R-I-V-E. You're going to put that in parentheses, and then you're going to put that in the comments down below. Guys, even if you already won for a last giveaway and you want to do, you know, be in this giveaway for the next month and so forth, you can enter. I'm not like saying, okay, because you already won another month, you can't enter in for like a future month. It is pretty much, it gets selected. It's a lottery and everything. So whatever the lottery selects, that is who is going to, you know, receive the $25. And like I said, the option is either to an Amazon gift card or PayPal. Now, also is like, guys, I know I say guys a lot, I'm sorry, is that enter in for the giveaway. Like, though I understand sometimes maybe people think $25 is not a lot of money, but right now I got a $25 gift card and I'm looking forward to using it for some items that I need to get for my room and everything. So I'm trying to get the decor down with my room and make it more like inviting. So that $25 is going to be used to get some spray paint and some other items that I need for, you know, fixing up a couple of things in my room. So even though I know $25 doesn't seem like a lot, so what have you, enter into the giveaway just as, you know, extra little, you know, pocket money and everything like that. And also, I have to, you know, make, I guess you could say, an announcement or what have you, or a ask, I guess. That would be the right phrasing, is that if you are not already giving my video a thumbs up, I would appreciate, guys, that you give my video a thumbs up. With the whole analytics and everything like that, is that if people are not thumbsing up the video, if people are not sharing the video, if people are not subscribing to the channel or leaving comments, my videos do not grow. It's not able to hit other communities and people who may be interested in my type of content. So I need your help to help me to grow. So that means I need you to be giving the videos a thumbs up. I need you to be subscribing, hitting the notification button, hitting the share button and everything. If you know somebody who may be interested in my type of content, share it with them. I try to make my videos very just, this is me. I'm raw. This is who I am. I don't put on any front or anything like that. But in order for, you know, my community to grow, I need people to, you know, thumbs up the videos and subscribe and notifications and all the things I just mentioned before. I want to be able to support you guys, but also I need you guys to support me as well too. So with that being said, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Make sure that you stay blessed out there in those streets and everything. Make sure that you treat each other kindly in those streets. God willing, I will see you guys in the next video. And also, last thing, I'm going to be bringing different things to this channel. Like I said, I want to, you know, broaden the channel and everything. So you're going to see some content that's not going to be fitness related. I hope that, you know, it's something that you guys do enjoy, and, you know, it's obviously something that I enjoy. All right, guys, I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.